and the name is a motion car. So this is a motion car, and this one is the name is not there, but I saw in the box the name was Snoopy, and this one is what's upside down? Motosaurus, and this one is 1186 MJ1NL, and this one is Volkswagen pickup, and this one is Severino, and this one Rainstorm. So I read all of them, and you can see the dinosaur one. So what do you know about this special car? What do you know? These are the designs, these things, and these are like on spikes. And you know this tiny head over here, you know. And these are like the green wheels and the black things like here. I don't know what it is. And this is like this is a special car. It's called like turquoise. It's turquoise. So this is a Motosaurus. It's a car, but actually, so like you can do like this, you can do like this, you can do cool stuff like this. Now it's going. The monster truck. You do like this. You do like this. You do like that. And then it's like sounds. You can hear it. Like making sounds. Like hit that first. Hit that first. Hit that first. Hit that first. Yeah, it's a motorcycle. So this is a motorcycle. You can twirl its fist. There's also like sad face, and you can make it sad. So this is a motorcycle. All about emotions. Okay. So this next car is this car. So this is my favorite car ever. You can do like this. You can do this pose. This is a dog sitting because the name is Snoopy. I don't know why it's like that. It was just like that. It's like that. I know it's a Hot Wheel. So this is a Hot Wheel. And they're all Hot Wheels. So you can. Thank you for watching Subhan's car show. I hope you liked it. Goodbye.